Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering precise ingredients. 1 750 ml bottle of dry red wine, 1/4 cup brandy, and 1/4 cup sugar. Prep fruit by slicing 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 apple into thin wedges, and measure 2 cups of mixed berries. Make a quick simple syrup by dissolving 1/4 cup sugar in 1/2 cup warm water so it blends evenly into cold wine later. Keep a cutting board, a stirring spoon, and a 1-liter pitcher ready to assemble. Pour the 750 ml bottle of wine into a clean 1-liter pitcher, then add the 1/4 cup brandy and 1/2 cup of the simple syrup you made. Add the sliced orange, lemon, apple, and 2 cups of berries into the pitcher, and stir gently for 30 seconds to release fruit juices without crushing the fruit. Taste and balance. Add up to 2 tablespoons extra sugar or 2 tablespoons honey if you prefer sweeter sangria, or squeeze a little lemon for brighter acidity. Cover the pitcher and chill the sangria in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, preferably overnight, to let fruit infuse the wine and brandy fully. Right before serving, pour in 1 cup chilled soda water or ginger ale to introduce gentle effervescence and stir once. Fill glasses with ice, strain or spoon fruit into each glass, and garnish with a citrus wheel and a sprig of mint for aroma. For a lighter version, use 500 ml white wine instead of red and follow the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.